Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Ahmad Sazwan bin Airamli and I am the Secretary of CAR Edu Malaysia, an NGO that focuses on supporting student mental health. Today, I will share briefly about myself, our team values, norms, roles and how we measure success. One of my strengths is being organized. I make sure all documents, schedules and meeting notes are well arranged so the team can access information easily. Another strength is communication, which helps me keep everyone updated. For weaknesses, I sometimes overthink small details and I tend to take on too much work instead of delegating. I'm learning to manage this better. As a team, we practice values such as empathy, integrity, cooperation, discipline, and respect. These values guide how we support students and how we work together. Personally, I apply them by keeping communication clear, respecting ideas, and ensuring everything is organized. We also set group norms, attend meetings on time, communicate politely, finish tasks before deadlines, and maintain confidentiality for sensitive issues. These norms help our teamwork stay smooth and professional. In terms of roles, our NGO has a president, vice president, secretary, treasurer, and program coordinator. As secretary, I handle documents, meeting minutes, and team communication. This role fits my strengths and helps the team stay organized. For us, success is measured by the impact we create. If students feel supported, gain awareness about mental health, and give positive feedback, we know we are going well. Strong teamwork is also a sign of success. Finally, we maintain quality by producing clear and accurate work, checking tasks before submission, and supporting each other to stay consistent. In conclusion, I am committed to helping CAR Edu Malaysia stay organized and impactful, improving student mental well-being. Thank you.